In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your image in Adobe Illustrator with a transparent background. So you can see here I have my logo on the screen and it currently has this white background. So in order to export this as a transparent image, we first need to head over to File in the top navigation, click on Export, and then select Save for Web Legacy. Now, next to where it says Name, in the drop-down menu, we want to change this to PNG24. Make sure you have the transparency box selected. And then what you can do is either save this as it is, or we can click on the Clip to Artboard checkbox. And what that's going to do is resize the image to the boundaries of the actual icon. So you can see that if I recheck this, we have all of this extra space around the logo. And if we uncheck this, it's going to tighten up the boundaries like this. So once you're happy, just click on the Save button, select where you want to save this and give your file a name and press Save. And now if you head over to your documents and find that file that we just saved, you can see we now have this saved with a transparent background. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.